Hello, everybody. Welcome to Ink and Insight. Today's episode is all about feminine energy and friendship.
But you forgot to introduce who are you?
I am Reet Kalwani, everybody knows that. And she is.
Your co-host and host Dilpreet Kardami, and today we have two very special ladies with us who bond together, who are with each other, standing shoulder to shoulder, bringing a lot on the table. We have Jasmeet, who is the very proud owner of Sweep Laundry, and we also have
Priyanka, who's the founder of the label Tuck and Jutti.
So, welcome to the podcast, and we would want to just have your narratives of what is Priyanka all about. Can you introduce Priyanka?
Professionally, personally, in
Yes.
a jiffy, fatafat.
See, professionally, everybody knows her. She's Priyanka Kaur. She is the founder of Tuck in Jutti. She is the first one in Jabalpur who's got designer and customized jutis to the city. So I have seen her grow from nothing in the brand to everything in the brand, what she's
Yes.
made for herself, to celebrity stylings and celebrity influencers, and from where we started getting those samples at home, and so I've seen it all. So for
मतलब
me,
स्क्रैच से जानती हो आप
scratch के पहले से जानती हूँ मैं.
She knows her from the itch. Then she moved on to the scratch.
inside thing, huh?
When she scratched it, I was there with her. So we have been together for a very long time now. So I am very proud of the work she's done. And let me tell you, she was the first one to start the business. I was a follower. So she started her business first. She opened her store first. She was the first one to, start her own website. Simple thing. She was the first one to drive a car. So an inspiration.
So let me tell you, Priyanka is reacting a bit shocking. यार ये मेरे बारे में इतना अच्छा कैसे बोल रही है?
This is the first time we have एक दूसरे की तारीफ कर रहे हैं. हम sitting so formally like this.
So because of the podcast, you got a platform to praise each other.
Actually, see, this is what, in my story also today, if you read, did you read, I wrote that why not to say, I got inspired by this person. There are very few ladies who can say, not even ladies, men also, who would say, I got inspired. ऐसा कहने वाले बहुत कम होते हैं. And she is the one.
Inspired, तुम बहुत बड़ा बोल रहे हो. People don't acknowledge the good work we do.
Yes, absolutely.
Acknowledge.
They will.
अच्छा, तुम करते हो. ओ मुझे तो पता ही नहीं कि टकिन जुत्ती तुम्हारा है. Oh, congratulations.
हाँ, they would do
I'm
that.
not saying this, but people do that. That is
Yes,
just an
yes,
example.
yes,
For that
yes.
matter, we both as friends or girls or acquaintances,
Yes.
for we know many of our friends, we know many people, but never amongst us has been a single person जिसके बारे में हमने discuss किया. Oh, ये करना चाहती. That's nice. She's starting this.
This is very progressive.
Yes, and that
That's very
progressive
good.
approach, has made what you are today.
Yes.
So she learned some skills first. I learned some skills
Yes.
first. We
That's
shared
very, very
like
nice.
simple
And
things
he's
like graphic design.
always being curious about telling each other
Yes.
everything what
कुछ
you have
नया
done.
सीखने के लिए,
That
कुछ
you
नया
should also do
great
this.
यार.
तुम भी
ये
ये
ऐप
करो.
है,
Yeah.
ये है, ये वेबसाइट में डिस्काउंट
Upgrading each other.
Absolutely. You
Not
would.
like that, keeping it to us only. नहीं, ये
I
मेरा ही है,
absolutely, because I was
Whatever.
doing this, as I told you, Hustle and Heels is like we are trying to bring on a cohort, and I was just searching for some help, and she was the one who told me कि Dilpreet, I will help you. मुझे ये भी आता है, ये भी आता है. I was like, what? She can design a whole lot of website. Her own website she has designed, and
Great,
it's
yeah.
beautiful.
Well done, Priyanka.
It's a dynamic website. It does not glitch. It does. मैंने उस website पे मैं खुद गई हूँ. I've seen it works beautifully. It's very swift. तो उसने खुद किया है. That is a skill.
Yeah, we have a different community all over. We are supporting each other.
And that's what women should be all
This
about.
has
I'm sure.
always been a priority that we should help each and every woman
Yes.
who wanted to, excel in some or the other field. अगर जो हमको बनता है और हम अपने तक ही रखेंगे, so that is not what we,
And it's not, we don't
we are
share.
not that.
It's not just that we share with each other.
Each other.
It's
हम
with
चार
it.
और लोगों को फोन करके बोलते हैं. अरे
हाँ.
इसका ये काम आएगा ना तो उसको भी बता देना.
So
Great,
nice.
yeah. So Priyanka,
So
how
that
do
is-
you see Jasmeet? That up introduction Jasmeet का
Okay.
करना पड़ेगा, इतना सारा बोलना पड़ेगा.
नहीं मैं इतना सारा तो नहीं बोल सकती because I
क्रिस बोल दो यार,
बोलूंगी।
दिल को छू लेने वाला जसमीत
See,
के।
two different personality, extrovert, introvert. आपको सामने बातों से I think दिख ambivert है ये तो मुझे लग रहा है.
जसमीत यहाँ से लौट के गए, बोले यार इनके इनसाइड पे तो बड़ा अच्छा बोल रही थी।
She's an ambivert and she's an
I
introvert.
am, yeah. So about Jasmeet, we've been knowing each other since 9 years, you know, and I've always looked upon her for everything. मुझे कोई एडवाइस चाहिए जसमीत, मुझे कुछ हो रहा है जसमीत को कॉल करो, मुझे कुछ बताना है, मेरे पेट में बात नहीं
A
बच रही है.
woman by your
जसमीत.
side
Yes.
to understand
And I know
support
she
you.
understands me without judging anything.
That's very important.
The most important.
That's
you know,
rare.
That's very rare.
That's rare.
And I love her for this. I always keep on messaging her. I love you. I love you.
तुम भी कभी लिख दिया करो मुझे. I love
कोई
you.
जरा सब्र करो।
And whenever I feel, you know, अभी I must tell you that हर ये मैंने लेडीज में बहुत देखा है कि एक दूसरे की तारीफ नहीं कर सकते.
Absolutely.
You cannot. We have to, you know, accept this कि वो हमसे भी अच्छा कर सकती है. And we should learn from her.
Yes, absolutely.
This is what make us us. You know, I have always learned things from her. मतलब
Yeah.
she's been very balanced. She's been very. हम लोग mostly chaotic होते हैं, but in her mind she's not. She's very.
She's
balanced.
organized.
She's very organized with her
Bus,
relationship.
I'll bring some tissues.
But that's so
We are
sweet.
enjoying it, yeah. We are enjoying. So I learned this from her, how to be balanced.
So यार हमेशा ऐसा कहा जाता है ना कि female friendships are really rare.
Rare.
We often talk about this.
Absolutely.
So what's the bond you share and
This is the surprise element. You would like to say?
No, you say it. तू
बताओ
छोटी है.
यार क्या?
We know each other from 9 years.
Yeah.
Since the day we got married.
ऐसे
Ask
कैसे?
how.
How?
ऐसे कैसे?
हम देवरानी जेठानी.
Oh my!
मतलब
Oh,
ये
I highlight.
complicated relation इतना पहले तो touch cold.
हाँ.
इतना complicated relation and you seem more like the bestest of friends.
Bittersweet.
How
We
do
got
you
married
both manage
together.
it?
So like I got married on 7, she
7th.
got married on 17th. I did not go to honeymoon to attend her wedding. So we went
And
to
she
the
did not
pre-wedding
call me in
shoots.
her marriage.
That was
हम साथ साथ
mine.
हैं, movie वाला scene है
Mine
मतलब.
is arranged marriage, hers is love marriage.
Yeah.
So my husband was supposed to call her brother, his brother's fiance. No, he did not call, not my fault.
Ah.
और वैसे भी अगर तब बुला लेते तो शायद गड़बड़ हो जाती.
So
बाद में जो बॉन्ड बना है ना,
बाद में oh.
to देवरानी जेठानी.
From
देवरानी
देवरानी जेठानी
नहीं,
friendship.
दोनों ने फ्रेंडशिप से स्टार्ट किया है, तभी you are putting up good as
What
देवरानी जेठानी.
I can read from them is they bonded over issues that they faced together during their journey.
Not at all.
not at all.
This is the biggest surprise element. We, you know, when we became friends,
Yeah.
we became friends by never talking about it, our in-laws and our husbands.
Yes.
That's very nice.
This
I
is
am
very-
so
I think this is an advice.
I'm so
started-
glad somebody
Grow out
saying
of these things. Yeah,
Yeah.
talking about your
We
in-laws, talking about your husband,
talking
sister-in-laws.
about in-laws or husbands, I think 2 years back. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं. तब हमने क्योंकि you know that was a comfort space यार मतलब कभी तो छोड़ दो अभी. We always bonded positively. हम
For-
लोगों ने कभी
like how did you bond?
हमने बीच में कभी दोस्ती नहीं बनाई. हमारी बस दोस्ती हो गई.
That's
Yeah,
very
exactly.
nice. That's very nice.
हाँ,
You know,
हो
this is
गई.
It falls naturally. ना?
Yes,
A good
it did.
bond falls
मतलब
naturally.
एक्चुअली ऐसा नहीं था कि एक एग्नी आंट है तो दूसरे को कंफर्ट मिल रहा था, अरे वाह इसके साथ भी वही हो रहा है जो मेरे साथ.
नहीं,
ऐसा
ये
चीज नहीं
हमारे
थी.
साथ
जो एक
That's-
कॉमन चीज होती है ना,
जो
तेरा
होती है.
दुख मेरा दुख,
हाँ.
चल मिलके
हमारे
आप
साथ कभी
कुछ
नहीं हुआ.
तूफानी करते हैं,
मैंने
वैसा वाला.
gossip करे वाला
अभी
scene.
अभी चालू है
Because you've been progressive, yeah.
That's very
progressive.
nice. That's very
So to,
nice.
you know, to like, you've been so many things, both of them. Now finally as women entrepreneurs. How?
Yes.
Oh, we grew as women entrepreneurs also together.
Together,
you know?
yes, exactly.
Wow.
So,
You started
whatever
together?
benefited me, I told her.
मतलब इस फ्रेंडशिप
Yeah.
डे पे खास मोर्चा हमारा रहेगा और तो सुधर जाओ प्लीज, दोस्ती करो, जलना बंद करो,
Exactly.
align.
When
Align.
women, you know, when we say that when women support women, you grow 10 times faster.
Yes.
Okay, you changed the
Absolutely.
dynamic. Our very first
Absolutely.
question was, it's already said that, you know, women can't be good friends.
Oh, they can.
And then
they can.
how you both bond over each other.
Yeah.
Because मैंने जब story highlight put up किया था, Priyanka was the one to put के no, women can make good true
and we
friends.
have good friends.
But
Together
I
also we
think-
have different women
Friends
have good
also.
friends. In
Yeah.
Jabalpur.
But it is not like that कि यार तू उसके साथ क्यों है? Why did you go there?
The
with her?
sheer possessiveness.
We are not like that.
So
not at all.
nice.
तूने उसकी story क्यों share करी? मेरी क्यों नहीं
Wow.
करी? It is not
Quarreling
like
over
that.
these petty things.
Yes,
Yeah.
we do not do that.
And we
वो
have
चीज
good,
है नहीं.
मतलब girlfriends also in the city also, and we मतलब जो एक
And
को
you
बोलता
make
है, तो हम
plans.
दूसरे को फोन करके बोलते हैं कि इसको ये कर ले, उसको वो कर ले, and you know it's nice.
Yeah.
I mean we have good friends. also.
Much अच्छा healthy relationship.
Acha, but like if one is making a plan with some other girly gang, will that bother the other one?
Initially it used to a little, but now it's so good
Okay.
that you know it's your
Chillmill वाले हो ना, कोई ज़्यादा.
I know, yeah.
No,
and many a times you all go together.
together. Yeah,
That's also
exactly.
nice. That's a
Even if the
dynamic.
other two don't bond with each other.
We do.
We do, yes, we do.
It happens. It happens. And
There, you know, there is much respect for us. I think that's the most important
Yes.
thing.
And we do respect whatever, you know, she does. कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि I'm getting jealous और
That's very
तू,
important.
ऐसे कर रही हूँ. I respect her decision.
यार jealous वाली चीज को मुझे लगता है दिलप्रीत, और हम लोग अगर ऐसे फेस करें कि a human can be better than you also, accept that.
You have
Because
to.
you can't be the best.
Yes.
You can't be
This
the
is
best.
what we have.
There's
access.
always somebody who will be better
And
than
you
us.
can upgrade yourself. There is always room to learn.
Yeah, exactly. I
Absolutely.
mark these words. Perfect.
And
Yeah.
it's not always कि हमसे कोई अच्छा, हमसे कोई किसी चीज में अच्छा, हो,
हाँ.
दूसरी चीज में हम better.
We all are unique. We
Yes.
all are unique.
Yes.
You know,
yeah, like you know, there's
she's
one
good at marketing.
She's
I am
good-
good at doing, you know, of back
back-end
Or the
things.
administrative work. she's very
administrative
good
work.
at.
So you
Yeah.
know, there are different things. मैं इस तरह से marketing नहीं कर सकती.
Yeah.
And ये मेरे जैसे content नहीं लिख सकती. So
Priyanka,
what she does is
Priyanka is like,
yeah, when
मैं इतनी अच्छी हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ?
No,
मैं
but
इतनी अच्छी marketing person हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ?
ये
Can
मुझे
we approach you for this then?
मुझे ये आज ही पता चला जसमीत के थ्रू कि मैं एक अच्छी मार्केटिंग पर्सन हूँ. That is, you know, through the
Just need
podcast.
sweep laundry solutions, like, you know, matlab, we are not in a metro city, so how is it coming up with that?
And first of all, you were both, I think, into teaching, and then you transitioned.
That is.
That is
she was
also
always into teaching.
No, I wasn't always into teaching.
हाँ,
I no.
before marriage. हाँ.
Teacher, coordinator, मैं थक गई हूँ दोनों के designation.
And there's this-
You guys are achievers, यार.
I
हाँ.
was HR manager first.
Okay,
First,
Country Club
first job.
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Yeah. And then you came
back.
here.
Yeah.
and because Jabalpur is all about schools,
Administration
yes,
and all
yeah.
these things. HR was not there.
Yeah.
When I came back in 2012, it was all administration. Though I worked over here,
Mm.
but then
But HR thing is not happening here. I've done my distance learning from
no,
Symbiosis.
it's not happening over
in
here in
HR.
Jabalpur. No.
No, it's not.
They just hire and fire on their own wish,
Yes.
will,
Yes.
no self-esteem.
They don't understand
They cancel.
that word. They
Ah.
compare it to administration.
Because
Yeah.
there is no hierarchy.
There is
Yeah.
no hierarchy. And
There is no concept of hierarchy.
There is only
Centralized.
dominance.
This boss
Everything is
There's only
centralized.
dominance.
Yeah, centralized. Actually, that's the case.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, the question to you that I would ask is कि आप लोग you were all you both were together or separate? You were working as teachers here, right? उसके बाद you thought of I personally feel जो औरतें होती हैं कई जो progressive रहती हैं वो किसी के under काम नहीं कर पाती. Is it like that? And was it the reason you started your own thing because you could not take orders? Yeah.
For me,
Both
we
of you.
never worked together. We
Acha.
never. We were never. So I am
Okay.
basically hotel management graduate. So I
Okay.
worked in many 5 stars. So after marriage, when I came here, there was no 5 star. है ना? Vision was also opening, but then it was. I was
So you
from
are
some
a hospital- you are a
Yeah.
hospitality
Yes,
expert.
yes.
She's into many
So I was training
books,
manager
into
with
many
Bubble Tea by
boxes.
Husband before I got married. So when I came here, मैंने कहा hotel तो अभी है नहीं. So I started training before training because I couldn't sit at home.
Yeah.
So I put my applications here and there for a personality development
Challenge यार जबरदस्त
That was
करना
in
very
schools.
बहुत भाग
I
जाना
never think the schools don't take a personality development.
Absolutely.
trainer.
They
I didn't
now
know this,
want-
ठीक है?
they now
Because
want
I
it, yes.
always worked in Pune and Hyderabad. So the cities, every city needs
As a
every
trainer,
school
personality
needs development. So I was always a trainer. So I put my application there. So Mount Litra called me to be a kindergarten teacher.
And that you couldn't bear.
Just because
That's how teachers start here. Kindergarten, playgroup.
Yeah, even I started.
Absolutely, absolutely.
I
Hannah
don't want
Devri?
to sit at home.
Don't ask me.
इसीलिए तो मैंने बोला.
I know. You know my
I've
nerves.
always been an educator, but
I love.
was not an
Actually,
educator.
I am a person who loves kids. I don't like the education system though. I love kids and I respect
And
them.
there are different,
Approaches.
capacities and approaches
Yeah.
and expertise. But I was never into kids. I mean, so that was the first time. I just because I didn't want to stay at home, I
Yeah.
started working with kindergarten. I worked there for a year. Now, why I started my business was I could see that I would get pregnant and moving to a
Yeah.
job in the city like this is a little difficult.
It was
It
pretty
takes a lot
difficult.
of your
Yeah.
and I'm the only bahu in the house, the only girl in the house, the bahu in the house.
Mhm.
So it would surely be
Yeah.
difficult for me to convince my family that the pregnant girl goes.
Out there.
things.
Yeah, yeah,
Family
absolutely.
था ही नहीं यार.
मेरा हेल्थ भी कैसे करेगा? I didn't know that.
Actually.
So just because I could, there was something I would look forward to कि मुझे नौकरी पे ना जाना पड़े तो मैंने ये सोचा कि मैं अपना business चालू करूँ.
That's nice. That's nice.
But ठीक है यार, at least you started something.
No, I started with selling pearls. In
Yeah,
exhibitions.
yeah, she started
I used
with
to
that.
sell,
Okay.
Pearls from
original
Hyderabad.
Hyderabadi pearls.
Wow.
So I started with that, and then I started doing exhibitions, and that is when I came to know that I am not a very good sales and marketing person. Doing exhibitions.
Oh, that is very Priyanka.
Now when Priyanka comes to the seat.
Oh, this was it.
That's when we did some exhibitions
Together also. Yeah.
And you were doing that only, Tuck and Jutti. You were
She
doing
was
that.
always, her
With the
business
Jyoti.
was always in Tuck and Jyoti.
Yeah,
After
yeah.
that, I started giving training to many hotels in Jabalpur.
Acha.
also. So when I went for training in different hotels, that's where I saw the need कि यहाँ पे तो laundry नहीं है, मतलब
You need that. Yeah,
there's
that's
no
the plight.
So that's how Sweet
Laundry
Laundry
sector.
Solutions was born.
Yeah, it took me 1 year, the idea
I
was
have
constant
seen her struggling,
and,
man.
ये
For
कुछ आउट ऑफ
everything.
द बॉक्स था क्योंकि नॉर्मली
Yes.
यार मेट्रोज में ना लोगों के पास टाइम नहीं होता ऑनेस्टली
हाँ.
तो दे लुक फॉरवर्ड टू सच सॉल्यूशंस बट हियर पीपल आर
people did. Still, it takes time for us to convince you what is not
Here, here we have to feed people that ये आपकी जरूरत है.
हाँ.
They don't know
They
it.
don't know it.
Actually.
And to your
Actually.
surprise, I
They're not
started
exposed.
a week before COVID, and mine was an
That-
industrial
Oh.
plant. So I started an industrial laundry that was corely focused for hotels.
oh my god
And COVID hit bad.
15 machines came, 21
Oh.
lakhs ka plant I set up. Just imagine how I convinced my family.
Yeah.
How
it's always
everything was put in
difficult for
place.
women to convince
How everything was put in place, and
Yeah.
15th the machines arrived, and 22nd it was locked down. The sector that could never close, and it was
And the
all-
amount of research she's put into, the year
Now,
of
1 year
research she's
later
been, doing it all together, going to Nagpur, to other metro cities to see how this plant works. For
She
the
remembers
I
और
remember
फैमिली
it.
को देखने के साथ साथ
You
what a
know-
balance
My husband was always with
Yeah,
me when
he
we
was.
went for research. I
It is-
had a 1 year baby. उसको हम ना machines दिखाने के लिए used to go in industries and everything.
used to take her.
We used to take her. So I used to take him because
That's
he
very
was
good.
He was a technical person. I knew how operations would run for a hotel laundry, है ना?
Mhm.
But I didn't know the technical part of it. So it was all a mix of everything and putting so much of money
To something.
to
Yeah.
something is
It
not
needs.
easy.
It needs.
नहीं यार
So-
पैसा लग रहा है तो आपको रीजंस भी देने पड़ेंगे
Actually.
स्पेशली आई फील women are answerable
Very much.
No, it's with men
Not
also.
somebody else, I can
नहीं
answer
विपरीत
to
बट
answer
टू
for
women
this.
ज्यादा मतलब
Of course, yes.
ज्यादा
Yes, it is like-
मुझे ऐसा फील होता है आज भी फील होता है that we
Of
need to
course.
give an explanation
A proper one.
yes a proper one but
See, also because if you go a little, logically, लड़कों के घर में लड़कों को बचपन से जाना जाता है हम सडनली आ जाते हैं 4-5 साल मुझे तो 2 साल 3 साल हुए थे 4 साल हुए थे हमको इस घर में आके उनको मेरे बारे में क्या ही पता था
अगर
कि
आप
मैं
इन
इसको
रिलेशनशिप्स
भरोसा
को
करें।
हेल्दी वे में देखो नथिंग इज रॉन्ग
Nothing is wrong.
मुझे लगता है हम
Nothing-
दूसरों को देख देख के और सोशल मीडिया को देख देख के वी आर स्पॉइलिंग द फैमिली थिंग
That is
पता है
what
सबका
we
अपना
discuss.
डायनामिक है लाइक इफ दे आर केयरिंग फॉर यू वी थिंक हमसे ज्यादा पूछताछ हो रही है टुक टुक हो रही है बट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट इफ
That
यू
is
स्टार्ट
what
थिंकिंग
we
ऑफ देम
discuss, if we talk about our husbands and the family, अरे family हम पे भरोसा भी तो We've just spent like 4-5 years with them, and with the boys. it's
Yeah,
always
Jasmeet,
been a long
honestly,
span of
matlab,
time.
Dilpreet, you also go through this a lot. I chuck it up into your routine. I mean, it's like कुछ भी, but family के support के बगैर possible नहीं है. नहीं है. We have to accept this.
Okay, so we have delved a lot into your professional life, into your, you know, the amount of time that you have given एक दूसरे को. अब मुझे ये बताओ, क्या हम ऐसा कोई collaboration देखेंगे? Tuck in Jutti sweeping away,
Jasmeet and Priyanka
Jasmeet
coming
and
together,
Priyanka
Oh,
together.
we've done it
We've
many
done it
times.
many
We keep
times.
doing it.
Oh
Yes.
wow!
So what happens when I do exhibitions? I generally keep her pamphlets, and I keep on putting it inside my bags, and I keep on sending it to my customers.
both are promoting each other.
Oh,
that
wow.
way. That's
When
nice.
I
yeah.
get jutis for dry
Dry
cleaning, I
cleaning, she
recommend her,
keeps
then I
on
give
putting
her
up the
cards.
reels. Yes.
That's
Yeah,
really
and then
nice.
recommend
यार
her.
सच में देवरानी जेठानी सच बोलना दोनों
मम्मी का सब
इंडियन इनसाइड पे हम लोग रॉ कॉन्वर्सेशंस करते हैं. इट्स
She
नॉट
is
स्क्रिप्टेड एट
Priyanka
ऑल.
Kaur Nandra. I am Jasmeet Kaur Nandra.
Oh my god!
Dilpreet,
And you can confirm.
it has changed the dynamic.
And
अब
you can
देवरानी जेठानी
confirm.
can be, can be like that.
And you
Yes.
can confirm from her. रिश्तेदारों से
बस यार जसमीत इतना अभी तो अपने
बहुत serious हो गई।
सेमिनार की बात की हमने. नहीं अभी हमने इतनी डायनामिक की बात की है, हम भरोसा कर
Absolutely.
सकते हैं यार. We are uplifting each other. I won't let you down today.
Absolutely, and I loved their bond. देवरानी जेठानी होके भी
फिर से टच गोल्ड कर रही हूँ, प्लीज ऐसा बिल्कुल मत सोचना.
हाँ.
नेक्स्ट टाइम एक ईविल आई भी लगा देंगे.
हाँ सही, बट आई रियली एंड बिकॉज पता है क्यों? क्योंकि दोनों की पर्सनालिटीज बहुत अलग अलग है. That is why they
That's
are
very true. We are
that
very
is why they're gelling together. दोनों ही extrovert होते थे, दोनों ही introvert होते, तो spice नहीं आता इनकी friendship में. The spice is because one is sugar and the other one is spice, and that is
Oh, spice.
the mix.
Who's
that
the
we have.
spice? Who's the sugar?
I think she's
That
the
is
spice.
also a mystery. Not every time I am the spice.
Sometimes-
Not every time that
Just,
the spice.
Jasmeet, you'll have to reveal. I am now diving deeper.
You
Who's
just
the
look at her eyes, and then you'll have the answers.
I also have big eyes. That does not mean you're always
Yes.
spicy.
Yeah. मगर ऐसा क्यों होता है कि जो एम्बीवर्ट, जैसे मैं भी एम्बीवर्ट हूँ, सारी गाज मुझ पे ही गिर जाती है हर बुरी चीज की. जबकि मैं नहीं होती.
My husband says तू करती बाद में है, बोलती इतना है, सब पहले ही तुझे.
यार मैं अब अपने बारे में क्या ही बोलूं. Hardly an extrovert. Hardly मतलब
What?
facing it hardly extrovert हूँ हर बार. अरे तुम तो क्या है, तुम तो क्या है जी. यार कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं होती यार. ये देखो प्रियंका आंखों से काम कर रही है, मुझे भी अपनी आंखों का यूज करना
नहीं, मेरी आंखें वीक है, मैं यूज नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
प्रियंका.
Good. So now why don't we test their compatibility and see whether they are friends or not?
यार एक अच्छी सी प्यारी सी एडवाइस
Yeah,
शुद्ध
absolutely.
हिंदी में ऑडियंस को, as women what would you like to give?
Yeah.
And, मतलब raw
हमको तो-
advice to all the women out there who want to work, who want to make a work life balance, manage
Absolutely.
their kids, family, social circle, everything. फटाफट.
जलो मत, बराबरी करो और आगे चलो.
जलो मत दिलप्रीत, मैं अच्छी ताली बजा रही हूँ.
मेरी रोबोटिक ताली है, जैसी मैं हूँ रोबोटिक, वैसी मेरी ताली है रोबोटिक.
बोलो यार प्रियंका, आंखों से मुझे इशारे समझ में आ रहे हैं.
किसी को अपने आप से मतलब कंपेयर मत करो.
हाँ.
तुम जो हो वो तुम हो, और तुम उसी में अच्छे हो, और
So nice.
अपग्रेड करना है तो अपने आप को करो. यू ऑलवेज हैव रूम फॉर लर्निंग.
You always have a room for upgradation.
Yes.
Mind you, girls,
Yes.
keep working on it.
So
Absolutely.
don't compare yourself with anyone. You are
Absolutely.
unique, and you always be one.
Yes,
This
yes,
is what I
yes, absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely.
So we all are unique here.
Yeah.
I cannot be Ree,
Of course.
and you definitely do not want to be Dilpreet. So there is
यार मैंने
uniqueness
सोचा
in
है
each-
मुझे बड़ी you can't be Dilpreet.
I didn't say that.
ओ बाप रे, मुझे तो लगा इतने heavy empowerment episode के बाद she's digging me like this.
No, I would not do that.
एपिसोड आप पे होना चाहिए, पॉडकास्ट हमको करना चाहिए, and you should be invited.
जसमीत,
Your
मुझे
own
ऐसे लग रहा है you're sweeping the podcast.
Yes,
You
just
are sweeping it. हमको धो के सुखा रही है.
Dilpreet, breathe.
ठीक है यार, तो वो कैमरा ऐसे होगा ना तो हम ऐसे भी डाल देंगे.
But हमारी friendship भी ऐसी ही है.
यार
No,
हमारा
but we are seeing your bond as well. हम लोग भी वो देख रहे हैं कि आप लोग की फ्रेंडशिप कितनी अच्छी एंड हेल्दी है. So
like we are
that's-
blessed, we
Yes.
have become friends. Honestly,
yeah,
we were not into each other's circle, never met before.
No.
You know, it was something divine that made us collaborate on this thing.
And I would, sorry to interrupt you, but there are people who would call up and say things. She's like this, you are like that. How come together?
ये तो
How do
बहुत
you
होता है यार.
अकेले कर लो, अकेले कर लो.
So it's like नहीं यार, आप
बहुत होता
भगवान आपको प्लेस करता है ना कहीं तो.
There's a reason for everything.
Yeah,
Destiny.
there is a
Yeah,
learning
destiny. And
in
Jasmeet,
everything.
Priyanka, why the hell would हम दोनों क्यों ऐसे मिले after so many years of our
40
married lives?
years के हो
कभी
गए.
we did not cross each other paths. कभी
Never.
social life में हाँ ठीक है. बस
And
देखो.
now हमारे बच्चे बोलते हैं फोन रखो, बहुत बात हो रही है. एक
Because
दूसरे
we
से.
are over this work and
Yeah.
talking, मतलब कुछ ऐसे topics
Just like
जिससे
you.
betterment feel हो एक दूसरे को.
Yeah.
अच्छा फील हो,
हमारे
uplifting
बच्चे
each
तो
other.
मेरा बच्चा तो बोलता है लो आपकी बहन का फोन आ गया.
कितना यार मैं
like
बात
that.
बताऊं, ये जो बॉन्ड है ना, ये बहनों से बढ़ के हो जाता है. अगर आपकी
Absolutely.
ऑनेस्टली, मतलब मैं बहुत ऐसे आई एम नॉट डूइंग इट वेरी बटरी थिंग,
Yeah.
बट अगर आपका बॉन्ड अच्छा है ना बहनों से, बिकॉज यू आर ऑलवेज टुगेदर. हमारे मायका तुमसे बहुत दूर होता है, बट यू आर ऑलवेज टुगेदर.
Yeah,
एक दूसरे
absolutely.
से आप कुछ भी किसी भी टाइप की बात शेयर कर सकते हो, बिकॉज वी आर टू मैच्योर वुमेन.
Yeah.
And the special thing is, I just want to add upon it कि we are different people together, we are different people with families. हम
Yeah.
अलग निभाते हैं.
And that is how it
और
should
हम
be.
बच्चों की माओ के साथ माओ जैसे अलग निभाते हैं.
Yeah.
जो
अलग रहता है.
एक दूसरे के साथ होते हैं
वो अलग रहता है, बिल्कुल
Oh,
अलग.
that's
different.
very nice.
मल्टी टैलेंटेड, मल्टी बिहेवियर और मल्टी क्या क्या,
Analysis.
बहुत सारे फेसेस पर वैसे वाले नहीं. हाँ,
You should see us like bahus, you'll see ये कौन है दोनों.
I would really love to see them.
सही बात
यार
है
अपनी
यार.
कोई पिक या वैसे कोई फैमिली का भेजना बाइट.
Raw bite on Incan.
बीबिया
बिब्बियां साडी घर दी बिब्बियां.
चलो कंपैटिबिलिटी मतलब ऐसे बिहेवियर में दिख रही है, आंखों से भी दिख रही है. अब एक टेस्ट करना है दिल पे.
टेस्ट वेस्ट हम
देना पड़ेगा.
यार,
अपना टेस्ट
लोग
देना
ऐसे
पड़ेगा.
ऐसा नहीं होता है.
ताईजी तो
So please.
क्या?
Do you want to
एक
take
एक
the call?
मार्कर और
that's
शीट
okay.
दे दो. You want to take the call?
no that's okay.
Okay. So Reet, पहला क्वेश्चन आप करें.
इसमें हमको लिखना है बड़ा.
छुपा छुपा के
आपको
छुपा के लिखना है.
ओके गर्ल्स तुमको उसका लिखना है, उसको इसका लिखना है.
Of
राइट.
course, they know this. It's
Just
compatibility.
we know
I
don't
wasn't-
know each other.
I wasn't.
we don't know each other.
ठीक है, the first question
Like
for
this.
compatibility
Cheesy
test is
No, you look here, both of you. Don't towards each other.
प्रियंका,
Look at us.
कहाँ देख रही हो?
और please no cheating. हाँ, 1 2 cheating नहीं करना.
ऐसे-
नहीं. चलो.
इधर मुड़ो ना थोड़ा.
हाँ ना.
ना मूड वैसे पे.
हाँ, छुपा.
नहीं देखी.
ठीक है छुपा.
Favorite cuisine, each other's favorite cuisine.
Cuisine.
Yes.
Oh my god.
No, you can't see. She's written.
अरे cuisine, hell with the pronunciation. Favorite food लिख दो.
She sounds like me, no, sometimes.
Yes, she does. तो बोलो ना.
Yeah, ये तो सभी का होता है, I guess.
प्रियंका.
Okay, flip now. Flip. सही है? तुम दोनों का?
Mutton chicken and Chinese she loves.
सच निकला जसमीत.
और तुम्हारा चाइनीज?
Yes.
ठीक है.
Not bad. Okay. The next one. Okay. अब तुम लोग एक दूसरे को नहीं दिखाओगे, तुम हमको दिखाओगे, ठीक है? क्योंकि हो सकता है इन लोगों ने ऐसे camouflage कर दियो कि हाँ मेरा ये और तुम.
हाँ यार, they're entrepreneurs.
They're entrepreneurs. Sweep and tuck in. They would sweep our smartness away.
भाई मेरा पॉडकास्ट चल रहा है यहाँ पे, दिलप्रीत तुम्हारा भी.
Okay. The next
जल्दी
would
पूछो.
be okay. एक दूसरे का favorite color. अब you tell me your
Jasmeet
favorite
has played
color.
well.
You tell me what is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
Black.
And yours? Okay.
क्योंकि इनको पता था ब्लैक लिखेंगे तो वो तो सभी का फेवरेट होता है. You guys
नहीं,
are playing
I
यार.
literally love black.
प्रियंका प्लीज यार, ऐसे देख मुझे आंखों से समझ जाओ.
Whatever
Okay.
it is, it's black on paper.
Yes, it's black on paper,
Okay.
black and white. Okay, next.
हमारा पॉडकास्ट हो गया बहन, छोड़ो कंपैटिबिलिटी हम खेलते हैं.
Next.
फेवरेट hangout place in JBP.
Oh my god.
Hangout. तुम
प्रियंका
दोनों
का
का one
लिखो,
spot.
हम कार लिख सकते
तुम लोग कार में
Actually मैं वही लिख रही थी.
धीरे बोलो. वांट हाई फाइव. धीरे बोलो.
हैं. देखो हो गया ना.
हो गया ना.
कार
कार ड्राइव
कार ड्राइव्स.
चलो नॉट
ठीक
बैड.
है.
चलो
सही.
दे
मतलब
दे.
साथ में
हमारे
बोला.
जैसे.
घर का टिफिन तो नहीं बना के निकलते.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं.
एक्चुअली हम
कुछ नहीं,
दोनों
भूखे
को
रहते हैं.
ये है कि हम दोनों रोज शाम को वी गो फॉर अ ड्राइव. ये हमारा एक स्पेस
Routine
है
है.
जो
10 मिनट बस.
10 मिनट भी
घर वापस.
चल
वी
यार.
हैव टू.
That
चल
part,
बहन,
that
चुगली
is
करने वाला टाइम.
no power
चल,
power
पहले
drive.
प्रोग्रेसिव बात करें.
नहीं.
नहीं तब हम चुगली कभी करते हैं. हम बहुत चुगली करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं हम चुगली नहीं करते. Please
Good,
don't.
good.
We are not very good girls. Let me be
Nobody is actually.
एक्चुअली पूरा दिन में जो होता है ना उसकी भड़ास हम निकालते हैं.
Summary.
I would say went out.
हाँ, went out you can say.
हल्का दिलप्रीत.
दिल
हल्के
हल्का
हो
कर-
नहीं पा रहे. दिल तो हल्का हो रहा है, खुद हल्के नहीं होते.
वो नहीं हो पाता.
वो नहीं हो
हम शेयर कर लेते कि वेट करना है हमारा क्या करें. फिर हम डिस्कस करते हैं अगले दिन. फिर हम डिस्कस करते हैं कि नहीं हो पा
फिर
रहा.
हम लोग सोचते हैं कि चलो वॉक पे चलते कल से और
फिर बस.
बस वही
You're
वही
set यार. These girls are set. चल आखिरी सवाल पूछ और it's a wrap.
यस.
बताओ.
चलो
बताओ.
तुम इसका स्कूल नेम
अरे
बताओ.
यार उस बेचारी को आप
और
मैं देख
तुम
सकती हूँ. वो
इसका
नहीं लिख
स्कूल
पाएगी
नेम
यार.
बताओ.
मेरा स्कूल का नाम
क्यों
ऐसे मत
नहीं?
करो, because I'm not local.
So you're not local. You
इतना
are.
हमको
You are
podcast
international.
I just know she's from a convent
Convent.
and I'm from
That
college.
is like
यार our questions were
they were simply able to answer all of them.
Yes.
What?
ठीक है दिलप्रीत, इतना तो मैं ही बता दूंगी यार.
हाँ.
कौन से स्कूल से.
Wrap up.
Wrap
Cheers.
up. Cheers.
So guys, it's a wrap, and it was such a heartwarming, full of empowerment.
So much of learning.
Yes, progressive. The words, you know, I've been into progressive approach.
Yes.
I'm sure that learning तो नहीं है, but yes. you know,
Learning
there's
is पता है
always-
जसमीत.
It's always
जैसे
like
प्रियंका
this.
ने कहा ना, मैं फिर से उसको अंडरलाइन करूंगी कि एक दूसरे से कंपटीशन मत करो, जेलसी मत फील करो, कंपेयर,
Correct.
because there's always a room for and space for everybody to learn and grow.
And if there is a competition, it's between you
and
yourself,
Yes, yes.
and what you were yesterday
Yes,
and years
absolutely.
back and what you are now.
Yes.
That's your competition.
Competitions are always healthy.
Yes,
Yes.
yourself
But for
with
that,
your.
you need to believe in yourself.
Yes.
We often take, you know, backseat kya re yaar. And we don't accept the other person
ऐसा
as a
होगा.
better person.
Not every day is the same. अरे यार तो बहुत बार होता है. हमको खुद होता है. We demean ourselves so
यार
much.
सबके
but you
साथ
know,
होता है,
वो
सबके
तीसरे
We
चौथे
actually-
दिन step up करना. और
I'm
हम
telling
लोगों
you,
का-
we literally cry in front of each other,
हाँ.
saying अब नहीं हो रहा, बस हो गया. इंडिपेंडेंट वुमन का सब कुछ हो गया.
ऐसा
जाओ,
नहीं है कि
मुझे अपने पति के पैसों पे ऐश करनी है. मैं किटी जाऊंगी, मैं पार्लर
No,
जाऊंगी.
but it doesn't happen
This
because
is
we are
our
not
parenting
brought
mode.
up because we are not brought up in that manner. And
So-
मुझे लगता है we are wired differently.
But
Yes,
next
exactly.
day we get up at the same time, work whatever has to be done.
Yeah.
Because we can't sit back.
Yeah.
We can't
That's not
sit
a
back.
basic nature. और ऐसा नहीं
It's
है
not
कि जब
a
एक रोती है तो अगले बोलती नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा ना. हम और चुगली करते हैं. मतलब you know,
वो भी रोने लगती है.
burst it
हमेशा भी नहीं होता.
out. Yes, burst it out. है ना
Yeah.
कि नहीं.
And then you are lighter and then back to
Back to work.
yeah.
हमको पता
And
है,
that is
अगले
how
दिन-
it is.
But
अगले
yeah,
दिन वापस
मतलब
आता है.
you guys are blessed, I must say, because
If you have,
as friends and like you know, as
As a
Devrani
support,
Jethani
it's a
also,
support system, right?
yes, support system. Because
system.
this relationship ना ये बड़ा बदनाम सा relationship है यार. इसमें ना जो dynamic होता है ना, फिर वो हमारा comparison होता है घर में, फिर mother in law की कोई एक favorite होती है तो दूसरी को problem, दूसरी favorite
हम
तो
लोग
पहली
ने-
को
देखो
problem.
इसकी देवरानी नहीं है, जेठानी नहीं है, मेरी भी देवरानी नहीं है, मेरी भी जेठानी नहीं
So there is no comparison.
There is no comparison.
Comparison.
We have not
But-
stayed,
But at times,
Comparisons are there.
but at
Might
times,
be यार वो बहनों के साथ
might be नहीं 100%
है.
हम दोनों में बहुत comparisons because we got married together. Our husbands are of same age.
Yeah.
Cousins है
Yes.
यार, cousins है.
Our grandfathers are first cousins.
Cousins.
So ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत दूर से मतलब
And they are
very
very fast में.
knitted Nandras are very closely knitted family.